Hello everyone! You know how they say that some cities just have a way of leaving an indelible mark on your soul? Well, London did just that for me. Fresh off the plane, and I was ready to dive headfirst into all things British. The first time I saw Big Ben, I remember standing there, awestruck, lost in the rhythm of the iconic chimes that have been a soundtrack to so many London stories. I mainly used hop-on hop-off buses to sightsee the city, and I avoided using the tube as much as possible. Not because of any aversion to it, but because I wanted to be above ground on sunny summer days when touring the city. The magic of London is something I will carry with me forever. When we talk about London, one of the first images that comes to mind is Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. These two architectural marvels stand proudly on the banks of the River Thames, embodying the city's rich tapestry of history and tradition. Big Ben, the world's most famous clock tower, is not just a timekeeper but a symbol of London. Its iconic chimes have been ringing out over the city since the mid-19th century. Next door, the Houses of Parliament, also known as the Palace of Westminster, is home to the UK's government. Its intricate Gothic Revival architecture is a feast for the eyes, with ornate carvings and towering spires. But it's not just about looks. This is where laws are made and decisions that shape the country are taken. These two landmarks are a testament to London's rich history and political significance. Next stop on our tour is the residence of the British royal family, Buckingham Palace. This architectural marvel has been the official London residence of the UK's sovereigns since 1837, standing as a symbol of the British monarchy. A quintessential part of the palace's allure is the changing of the guard ceremony. This spectacle of British pomp and pageantry takes place daily, showcasing the precision and discipline of the royal guard. It's a sight not to be missed. The palace itself boasts 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff bedrooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. It's a testament to the grandeur and opulence of royal living. The palace's gardens are equally as impressive, spanning over 39 acres. They host the annual summer garden parties, a royal tradition that dates back to the 1860s. A visit to Buckingham Palace offers a glimpse into the opulent life of the British monarchy. If you're a history buff, you'll love our next stop, the Tower of London and Tower Bridge. The Tower of London, a grand fortress with a captivating history dating back over 1,000 years, has served as a royal palace, a treasury, and even a prison. Its most famous residents, the crown jewels, are a dazzling display of opulence and power. Just a stone's throw away is the iconic Tower Bridge. This Victorian marvel, built in the late 19th century, is not just a symbol of London, but an engineering masterpiece of its time. It's a combined bascule and suspension bridge, and its twin towers are an unforgettable sight. These landmarks aren't just architectural wonders, they are the keepers of stories. From tales of power and intrigue to stories of resilience and innovation. These landmarks serve as a time capsule, transporting you back to London's past. Ready for a bird's eye view of London? Our next stops are the London Eye and the Shard. Now, these two modern marvels are not just impressive feats of architecture, they are also vantage points that offer some of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel on the south bank of the River Thames, lets you slowly ascend over the city, revealing a stunning panorama that stretches up to 40 kilometers on a clear day. It's an experience akin to floating over the city in a magical glass bubble. Then there's the Shard, Western Europe's tallest building. It's not just about the height, though that's certainly thrilling. The Shard offers a 360-degree view of London, from the historic Tower Bridge to the modern skyscrapers of Canary Wharf. It's like standing on the shoulders of a giant, gazing out over an age-old city that's constantly evolving. Both the London Eye and the Shard offer a unique perspective of the city. Now, let's dive into London's cultural scene with Covent Garden, St Paul's Cathedral, and Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. Covent Garden, an enchanting district in the heart of London, is an absolute delight. Known for its lively atmosphere, it's a place where culture, shopping, and entertainment meet. From the charming Apple Market, filled with unique antiques and arts, to the Royal Opera House, the epicenter of world-class ballet and opera, Covent Garden is a cultural feast waiting to be explored. Moving on, we have the awe-inspiring St Paul's Cathedral. With its iconic dome dominating London's skyline for over 3 centuries, this cathedral is a true architectural marvel. Inside, the grandeur continues with its stunning interiors, adorned with mosaics and intricate stone carvings. But it's not all about aesthetics. St. Paul's Cathedral is also a place of deep spiritual significance and has been a site of prayer and worship for well over 1,000 years. Our cultural journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. This faithful reconstruction of the original open-air playhouse where Shakespeare worked offers a unique window into the world of Elizabethan theatre. The Globe is not just a monument to the greatest playwright of all time, but a living, breathing space where his works continue to be performed, studied, and celebrated. From the creative buzz of Covent Garden to the spiritual tranquility of St. Paul's Cathedral, right through to the dramatic aura of Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, London's culture is diverse, vibrant, and deeply rooted in history. Each of these landmarks offers a different facet of the city's rich cultural tapestry, and they're all waiting for you to discover. These landmarks are a testament to London's thriving cultural scene. Our tour wouldn't be complete without a visit to Trafalgar Square, the National Gallery, Natural History Museum, and Kensington Palace. As we journey through London, we find ourselves in Trafalgar Square, a vibrant public space teeming with rich history. Named to commemorate the Battle of Trafalgar, the square is home to the iconic Nelson's Column, standing tall at the heart of this bustling hub. Just a stone's throw away is the National Gallery, a treasure trove of over 2,000 pieces of art. From the early Renaissance to the Impressionist movement, you can immerse yourself in a journey through time, exploring works from masters such as Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Turner. A visit here is a feast for the eyes and the soul as you delve into the stories behind the canvases. Next, we head to the Natural History Museum, a cathedral to nature. Its grand facade houses a mind-boggling array of exhibits, from dinosaur skeletons to the rarest gems. Here, you can marvel at the blue whale skeleton suspended in the Hintze Hall, or journey through our planet's diverse habitats in the Earth Hall. This museum is a testament to the wonders of the natural world and our place within it. Finally, we make our way to Kensington Palace, a place of royal residence and regal charm. Once the home of Queen Victoria, and now the residence of the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, this palace is steeped in royal history. You can wander through the lavish staterooms, or stroll in the beautifully manicured Kensington Gardens. Every corner of this palace whispers tales from a bygone era, making you feel a part of its timeless narrative. These landmarks offer a mix of history, culture, and art. Each location is a testament to London's diverse and rich heritage. They invite us to step back in time, to appreciate the beauty of art, to understand the complexities of nature, and to experience the allure of royal life. So, take a moment, breathe it all in, and let the spirit of London wash over you. Last but not least, we have an honourable mention, the British Museum. Nestled in the heart of London, this iconic institution is a treasure trove of world history and culture. With over 8 million works, it's one of the largest and most comprehensive museums in existence, dedicated to human history, art, and culture. One of its most significant artifacts on display is the Rosetta Stone, the key to deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs. The British Museum's artifacts span over 2 million years of history, allowing you to travel back in time, exploring the world from ancient Egypt, where you can marvel at the Rosetta Stone, to the Renaissance and beyond. Now you might be wondering, how do I get there? Well, it's a breeze. The British Museum is just a brisk walk away from a hop-on hop-off bus stop. So after you've hopped off your tour, simply stroll down the charming London streets and you'll find yourself at the doorstep of this magnificent museum. Even though it's not on the bus route, the British Museum, with its spectacular collection including the renowned Rosetta Stone, is a must visit. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of London's most popular tourist attractions. From the iconic Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, where the city's heart beats in time with the striking of the clock, to the majestic Buckingham Palace, a symbol of the city's regal glamour and history. We've wandered through the ancient walls of the Tower of London and marvelled at the architectural marvel that is Tower Bridge. We've soared high above the city on the London Eye and touched the sky at the Shard, taking in the breathtaking panorama that stretched out beneath us. In the cultural hub of Covent Garden, we've been swept away by the vibrant atmosphere, before finding tranquility in the hallowed halls of St. Paul's Cathedral. We've stepped back in time at Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, feeling the echo of the bard's words still resonating in the air. We've explored the art and history encapsulated in Trafalgar Square, the National Gallery, and the Natural History Museum. We've strolled through the regal gardens of Kensington Palace, each location a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget the British Museum, a stone's throw away from our hop-on hop-off bus route. It's a testament to the city's rich history and a gateway to worlds past. A must-visit for any London tourist. Using the hop-on hop-off buses, we've navigated this sprawling city with ease and convenience, each stop a gateway to a new adventure. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just a curious traveler, there's something in London for everyone. Every corner of this city is steeped in history. Every street tells a story, from the grandeur of its iconic landmarks to the hidden gems tucked away in its bustling streets. London is a city that never fails to captivate, to inspire, to enchant. So I hope this tour has given you a taste of what London has to offer. Until next time, cheers!
Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We do like to know and hear your feedback. And if you have the means, please consider supporting us on Patreon, where we post bonus material. Till next time, this is Geeky Tidbits saying cheers, and have a good day.